Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Johnny's Kitchen. I know I've been out of the kitchen for a little while, but I am back. I'm usually the one that makes the long drawn out stuff, smoking meats for 5 hours on the grill or stuff in the crock pot or whatever. But today I'm going to continue Lakeisha's series of quick and easy meals. So I know when you hear quick and easy, you think of frozen foods or this and that. It's the boring process, not great. But I'm going to show you today that we can make simple, quick, easy meals that look like you spent a long time and it's very good. So what we're going to be making today, we're going to be making some stuffed baked potatoes or loaded baked potatoes, however you want to call it. So let me introduce the items we're working with today. We're going to be working with some of the Curley sauceless pulled pork. We have our, sweet raised barbecue sauce. You always got to have that. And we got our large Texas-sized potatoes. Because everything's big in Texas, so they say. We also have our shredded cheese, our chives, our butter, and we have our sour cream. Now, there's no set amount of ingredients you need, because if you like tons of cheese, have your cheese. Like tons of butter, tons of chives, whatever you want to do. So there's no set measurements. It's just whatever you like. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start breaking this stuff down, and we'll come back and you'll see how we're gonna prepare this. All right, guys, so now we're gonna prepare the potato. Now, I got 6 here because, my family's a little bit bigger, so you can do as many as 1, 2, 3, whatever, how many you need for your family. All right, so let's get started here. We're gonna take our fork and we're gonna poke holes in the potato. That way, make sure it cooks all the way through. He said she likes using a knife better, so maybe it might work better than this fork, but for me, I like to use the fork. I know you're probably thinking, quick and easy. Don't baked potatoes take like a couple hours in the oven? Yes, they do. That's why we're gonna use a different oven today. Today we're gonna use the microwave oven. I know you're probably thinking, man, you can make those in the oven? As most of you guys at home probably know that most microwaves do have a potato setting. So basically what you do is you wrap the potato. And you can wrap it however you like, but I chose to kind of do it that way. Oh, that might be a little too long. Man, it feels good to be back in the kitchen. In a little while. Lakeisha's been doing all the cooking lately on all the videos and doing a good job. She's got quite a few views and built a nice little following for herself since I've been away. If you haven't seen her latest videos, you need to go back and take a look at them. Especially that one she made with the quick and easy ramen. That's a good one, guys. And also the chicken and rice. That's a good one as well. Those are the most recent ones that she's done. So after you guys watch this one, go back and check out those other ones. And while we're here, make sure you like and subscribe. We're approaching 14,000 subscribers, so why don't you guys help us get there? All right. So there we go. So we got 6 baked potatoes ready to go. Okay guys, so we got our wrapped potatoes in the microwave, so I'm gonna do 3 at a time. So I'm gonna close it up, and I'm gonna hit the potato setting on the microwave. And every microwave is different heat sensors or however your microwaves are. So after the timer goes off, we're gonna fill them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab them and feel how soft they are. You make sure you don't want to do this with a hard potato, so you'll make sure they're soft before you proceed to the next step. Go. All right, so we got our baked potatoes out of the microwave, and they're real soft. So we cook them just right. And we also got a pulled pork that we put in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is this to finish it off. The reason why I got the sauceness, because I like to use the sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You're not sure what you get when you buy already sauce on it from the store, the manufacturer brand or store brand. So I'll throw a little sweet Baby Ray's in here. Add a little bit more. All right, guys, so now that we got the baked potato out of the oven after about 15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more butter. While it's nice and hot still, so it'll get a little more melting. A few more chives, a bit of cheese, and we're gonna add a little sour cream. All right, so get ready to dig in. All right, so let me mix this up a little bit. Get a nice portion of everything. So good. The butter and the cheese coming together with the chives and the pulled pork. Absolutely fabulous, guys. You're gonna love this one. So once again, this is John and Keisha with Johnny's Kitchen and what's next with more of our quick and easy recipes.